babes, it's Steph here, and today I am here back at it again with a very exciting video. I am going to be showing you how I use my brand new amazing Empowered palette in combination with the new Bossy Eye shade launches, and we're just going to create some magical wonderfulness. So be sure to keep on watching to see what kind of look we come up with. So what I'm going to be doing for you guys is one look per eye, just so we can squeeze in as many little color combos as we can in this video. So first things first, we are going to be going into the shade Green Light, which is the first shade in this beautiful palette. Now I'm going in with a simple blending brush, and we are just going to pop this into the crease and blend it out. Now, of course, you guys obviously can see Ofra's shadows just make it so easy to blend things out so quickly. So we have this bad boy all blended. Now we're gonna go in with a beautiful Bossy Eyes. And if you guys have seen me with Ofra before, you know Bossy Eyes literally are at the top of my list, one of my favorite products that they carry, and they're just amazing. So let's go ahead and play, and I'll show you guys what we're gonna do. Now we're going to be going into the brand new New Money Bossy Eyes shade extension. This is so stunning. It's a beautiful metallic-y dark green. So we're just going to slide this over our lid, kind of just blend it out a little bit, and you guys will see just how easy this is to apply. Now that we've got the beautiful New Money in our crease all applied, we're going back into the Empowered palette, into the shade Wall Street, just with our fingers to pack it right in the middle and add a little bit more brightness to this eye. So this is officially one look that you're able to create with the beautiful Bossy Eyes shade in New Money, as well as the Empowered palette. Now we're going to switch over to the other eye, and I'm going to show you a whole new combination. Moving on to the next eye, we are going into the shade Grand, which is a beautiful brown shade, and it's such a perfect transition as well as just simple crease shade, and we are going to be blending that out. We're just going to be loading this onto the crease and moving on with another Bossy Eyes shade to mix up the look. For the Bossy Eyes, we are going into Do Not Disturb, which is a stunning purpley metallic kind of duochrome. I am obviously the best at describing shadows. If you haven't noticed, I know every single color like perfectly on the dot, so detailed. It's purpley. It is stunning, so we're going to go ahead, do that same technique of just swiping, blinking up and down, so it's as simple as that. So we have Do Not Disturb applied on the eyes. Now I'm going to do the same thing, go back into the Empowered palette, but this time we're going into the shade Self-Made, and I'm going to be popping that right onto my lid, and you guys will see how beautiful of a combo this is going to be. Probably my favorite. Okay, but how stunning are these Empowered shimmers on top of these Bossy Eyes? This is like a match made in heaven. Oh my goodness. I'm like, I wasn't expecting this. I am officially done with this eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to some liner, some lashes, and I'll be right back and we will wrap everything up. So we've got our lashes and liner on, but there's one final touch that we have to add to this look, which is, of course, highlight. Now I'm going into the shade CFO. I already applied the tiniest amount onto the back of my hand, so now we're going to go in with a tiny little blending brush, and I'm just going to poke right into it, diffuse it a bit, and we are going to just pop a little bit right into that inner corner. We're going to go and use that as a base for one of the beautiful shades in the Empowered palette. So what I'm thinking is going into the shade Wall Street, which is this beautiful shade right in the center. And we're just going to dab that straight in to the inner corner to give us that, you know, little pop of that highlight that we so desperately need in every look. And that is the finished eye look. I'm also going to add just the tiniest bit of Wall Street onto the highest points of my face, just to give me that extra low empowered glow, and you see it is literal perfection. I love this palette. I'm so happy with these color combos, and I truly hope you guys are too. I hope that you guys picked up the Empowered palette, which is available right now on ofracosmetics.com, as well as all of these Bossy Eyes shades. Thank you so much, Ofra babes, for tuning into this video. I truly appreciate it, and I hope you guys love the look. Thank you so much again to Ofra for having me, and I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I will see you guys in the next one.